If you've ever woken up with that annoying breakouts that just spoils your entire week, trust me, I've been there and I understand. Okay, I've tried 10-step skincare routines, I've tried expensive serums, I've tried random products, but nothing was really bringing down the inflammation until I found this one amazing product. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're absolutely welcome, and if you're a regular, hello, how you doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you that one product that helped me dry out my acne, that helped me clear up my acne. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, join this amazing family. Subscribing is absolutely free. Let's jump right into the video. Today, I'm talking about the panoxyl benzoyl peroxide face wash. If you've seen this face wash on social media and you're wondering if it actually works or it destroys your skin barrier, well, today I'm going to show you exactly how I use it to dry out active breakouts, the time it took, and the routine you're going to use so it doesn't destroy your skin barrier. First of all, why this particular product? Benzoyl peroxide is one of the few over-the-counter ingredients that actually kills the acne causing bacteria, and it doesn't just do it on the surface, it goes to the root cause to clear that inflammatory acne, those red pus filled bumps. Benzoyl peroxide is absolutely amazing. This particular one from Panoxyl comes in two strengths. It comes in 4% creamy wash and 10% maximum wash. If you're just starting out with using benzoyl peroxide, you should start with the 4% one so that you will see if your skin can tolerate it. But if you're not new into it, like me, I'm used to it, I use the 10% one. Or if your skin is not so sensitive or you have severe acne, you can start with the 10% one. You can also use it for your body, not just for your face. If you have acne on your body, inflammatory acne, you can use this particular product on your body. This is how I apply this product on my skin. So you want to start on wet face. I just want to get my hair out of the way. My face is wet now. Then I'm going to take the product. You just need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. You just want to take a pea-sized amount like this. And then you apply it all over your face. You massage it into your skin for about 40 to 60 seconds. That's 1 minute. Focus on where you have active breakouts, and once you've massaged it in for about an hour, you don't wash it off immediately. You leave it on your skin for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the benzoyl peroxide can actually penetrate into your skin and do its work. So let me wash my face and come back. I've rinsed my face and this is what my face is looking. Is wet. You can actually leave it to air dry, but I'm going to use a towel. You can use a clean towel to pat dry. Clear your face, make sure your face is dry. Once your face is completely dry, make sure it is completely dry. You want to make sure you hydrate because benzoyl peroxide is very drying to the skin. So you want to make sure you put back that hydration and moisture into your skin. So for me, I use this ceramide serum from Face Facts to bring back hydration into my skin. I'll just add a few drops on my skin. So once my serum has gone into my skin for about maybe 30 seconds, then I'll apply a moisturizer. You need a very good moisturizer. I have oily skin, so I use this one from Simple, the Simple Light Hydrating Moisturizer. The Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. I'll just take a few. It's almost done. I need to get a new one. I just apply it on my skin. And this is what my skin is looking after moisturizing my skin. Keep that glow. Now, this is where a lot of people get it wrong. While using benzoyl peroxide, there are some precautions you need to take. Benzoyl peroxide would stain your colored fabric. So if you have any fabric, any clothing, any towel that you care about, don't allow the benzoyl peroxide itself touch it, because it's going to bleach it. Okay, so just make sure that when you're washing your face, it doesn't touch your fabric. Make sure you've completely rinsed it out before you clean your face with any fabric. So you have to be very careful. Number 2 is you don't apply it every day, especially when you're just starting as a beginner, because it's going to dry out your skin. So you can start by applying it like 2 times a week, then you build your routine to like 2 to 3 times a week. As for me, I use it 4 times a week. Don't just jump into using it morning and evening immediately you get it, especially if you've never tried it before. And you have to hydrate your skin just the way I hydrated my skin with the ceramide serum and my moisturizer. As it dries your skin, you need to bring back that hydration so you don't scatter your skin barrier, so your skin barrier will be intact. Okay, and also wearing a sunscreen is non-negotiable. When you're using benzoyl peroxide, you have to use your sunscreen during the day to protect your skin from the sun. I use mine 4 times a week, only at night. So these are my results with this product. When I apply this product, within the first week, I noticed that my acne, my inflammatory acne, are drying out. When is that time of the month? You know, I usually get acne around my chin and my jaw area, and this really helps me to control that. It has really simplified my routine and it has saved me a lot of money. The pan-oxyl benzoyl peroxide face wash cost about 14,000 naira. It depends on where you're buying it. I bought it for like 18,000 naira somewhere else where I live. But when I buy from Tika4, she's in Lagos, hers is usually a bit cheaper. Okay, so that is the price range for this product. Let me know if you've used benzoyl peroxide, especially the pan-oxyl benzoyl peroxide, in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. It is absolutely free, so you keep getting this type of useful videos. Don't forget to like as well and turn on the bell notification, so anytime I post a video, you'll be notified. I will see you all beautiful people in my next video. Bye.